Welcome to this tutorial. This is HTML5 for a series for the beginners, and in this video we are going to learn how to create HTML forms. So I create a HTML file and I name it form.html, and I hope you are remember with the using of the ms, and I change the title, the form, not the tag, and here I use the tag form to write the forms for taking any data from the user. And here is the attribute given by the automatically Visual Studio Code, that is the action, but we are not required at the moment this attribute. And for the input fields, you have to use the input tag with the type, with the attribute type, and the value is text, and you can write the name or ID. I name it username. Better to write like this, username, and here you can say user name. And next input for the password, type password, and name password, and here I write password. So let us see what we have so far developed. Just save the file and open it with the live server. So I just resize the windows. So this is the form so far we have built. So let us make some changes. You can write here like this, and we can also change it like this. Just save it. Okay, so you can see the first is the name and of the input field, and then the input field. And what is the difference between this type text and this type password? If you write here input any data like ABC whatever, and if you write here password, you can see it's not highlighting. So this is the difference between the type text and the type password. And you can also use the line break BR tag to make it more readable, your form more readable. Why is like that? We have to use here. Okay, and also there is also attribute that is called placeholder. When you don't want to write like this, if you write a placeholder and name it use, first I just save it. I want to show you the change, and now if you write the username here, it will be displayed in the input area. You can see, and again you can see write like this, password and placeholder. You have to give this the value password. Just save it. So you can see this placeholder is displayed in the input area. Okay, and there are also other options in the form, maybe you have seen a lot of time, and that is input type radio. And if you want to give any name like I say option, and here I write Google, and input type radio, and I name it again option, and here I write Bing. Just save it. So you can find let me just Okay, so you can find two radio buttons options, radio options. Okay, and there are also some options, and there is also another option for the checkbox input type checkbox, and I name it Google, and the second one is checkbox, and again I take the Bing. I just want to give you an example, just save it. So you can see this way you can write the checkbox, and for the button input type submit, and just give it a value unlike submit, just save it. So this way you can get your button. Okay,